40 साल की उम्र में अर्ली रिटायरमेंट अगर हम लें और फिर अपने सारे वो शौक पूरे करें जो पहले हम नहीं कर पाए नौकरी की वजह से।
So you want to end your corporate life early. You want to retire early and want to follow your passions, or you want to start your own enterprise. But the moment you hit the retirement button, a fixed income is going to stop coming in your bank account, right? बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है ऐसा। अगर आपने रिटायरमेंट अचीव कर लिया तो ये बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है कि एक फिक्स्ड इनकम आपके बैंक अकाउंट में आनी बंद हो जाए। इट इज स्टिल पॉसिबल टू कंटिन्यू टू ड्रॉ अ फिक्स्ड इनकम मंथ ऑन मंथ इवन व्हेन यू आर रिटायर्ड। हाउ? Do watch this video till the end where I will tell you about two things. First of all, what is that magic retirement number that you need to achieve now in order to retire early? And secondly, how do you plan for that retirement number? So I'm going to take an example of a 30-year-old individual and I'll tell you exactly what that 30-year-old individual needs to plan for in order to retire early. But before that, you need to consider 5 important factors in order to find out your retirement number. First of all, your current age. Secondly, the age at which you are planning retirement. Thirdly, current inflation, which we're going to take as 7.5% on an average. Fourthly, what is the survival age? So survival age of men in India is 80 and survival age of women in India is 85. But you also need to account for 5 years of a buffer because you need to account for the risk of living longer than usual. An important factor is your investment returns. So let's move to the example. This is our retirement calculator. If the current age is 30 and the possible age of retirement or the thought of age of retirement is 50, life expectancy is 80, but we are going to take another 5 years to plan for a buffer. The current monthly expenses are at 50,000. The expected inflation rate is at 7.5%. Pre-retirement returns, we will take a conservative 12% figure, and the post-retirement expected returns is going to be a little less at 10% because we are going to take a lesser risky approach. तो 50 years पर इनका रिटायरमेंट कॉर्पस आता है 6.5 करोड़ रुपीस और उसे आज प्लान करने के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है 61,72,000 की रखने की एट द रेट ऑफ 12% पर एनम। और अगर इन्हें 40 इयर्स की एज पर रिटायर करना हो तो देखते हैं क्या प्लानिंग आती है। अगर 40 इयर्स की एज पर रिटायर होना हो तो इनका कॉर्पस कम होके हो जाता है 3.6 करोड़, मगर उसे आज से प्लानिंग करने की जरूरत हो तो फिर उनका लमसम रिक्वायरमेंट आता है या तो 1.1 करोड़ रुपीस और 1.5 लाख रुपीस ऑफ अ पर मंथ SIP planned at the rate of 12% per annum. So this is how you plan for your retirement number. अगर आपको पता करना हो अपना retirement planning number, then the link is given in the description box. And if you want to know how exactly to plan for that retirement number, then also our contact details are listed in the description box. Do reach out to us. This is Shalini Khera signing off. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.